Hi Sunshine, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Lorianne.
And we are doing this impromptu video for you guys. It's requested. We were actually going to film something else, and then you loved your hair so much that you were like, let's do this video instead. So tell them why we're sitting here full glam. Hair already done.
We're sitting here full glam, hair already done, because I've been watching this wash and go with the Pure Honey line by Creme of Nature, and I was impressed with it yesterday. I'm like, oh wow, I said this definitely lasted another day. And we didn't do a video yesterday, and then this morning we woke up and I'm like, this definitely still has curl definition. Now it probably was a little bit more defined when I woke up, but because I thought I could make it better, I sprayed it with water and then reapplied the twisting cream. So probably add a little bit more frizz, but you've got to be prepared for the bigness and the fullness of the frizz, and I love it. I think I said it gets better with age.
Yeah. So 3 days ago we did the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. I'll link that video up here. It should pop up if you want to see our actual product application and our thoughts on the line. So this is our day 3 of the wash and goes that we did. The wash and go that I did was a one and done with the twisting cream, and you did.
I did the Detangler and the twisting cream.
So this is day 3. My curls are still intact. How I sleep at night is I do a pineapple, which is a really high ponytail. I just take this little headband thing, twist it, and do a really high ponytail that's loose, and I sleep on a satin pillowcase. And then to refresh, all I do is, actually it's Creme of Nature. I use the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Leave-In Conditioner. And this just kind of re-wets my hair a little, it makes it a little damp so I can scrunch it again. But that's all I do. I'm really impressed for mine being a one and done. The curl definition and the moisture and the little amount of frizz that's in my hair for day 3, this is so up my alley right now. I love this.
I love it.
It does get better. I swear wash and goes, a good wash and go will get better as the days go on, because it gets bigger, and that's just
I don't
what we like.
consistently do next day hair, second day hair, 3-day hair. But this time I did, and how I preserved it, because normally some people sleep on satin pillowcases or put on satin scarves to preserve the hair, maybe stop the friction or the breakage. I'm not really concerned about that, so I don't really kind of preserve my hair. But for some reason this time I did, and I pulled what I always have done for years, is the lock sock over my head, and it's just kind of like a thing, and I just pull it over my head, and it preserves my curls. I don't know what fabric it is.
Yeah, I was going to say, what kind of... It's not silk, but it works. Whatever it is.
Whatever it is, it works.
But yeah.
And it just kind of... Yeah,
it just... stretch it over.
Yeah, there's it gets bigger in the back, so it kind of accommodates the curls, and so that's what I do when I call myself preserving. And I don't know why I did it this time. It wasn't really intentional, because
I don't know.
Felt we were going to do videos over
we thought we were, and it didn't happen, and then we woke up today, we're like, okay, we're going to film this video, and then you were like, not so fast.
Yeah.
You're like, you guys always do ask, I wonder what day 4 is going to look like, I wonder what day 3 is going to look like, or what next day hair, how many days will you guys get? So this is the winner. We just chose this one to show you guys what a day 3 wash and go looks like with this hair. I feel like I could definitely go another 2 or 3 days. Yep. I would not mind that.
Yeah, we're consistently doing content, so we really we can answer it because of the experience with our own hair, and we know the curls and the definition that we get from a wash and go. At the end of it, we can say, yeah, with these kind of curls and this dimension and this definition, this will last us about 3 or 4 days, 2 or 3 days, whatever. But this time we can just kind of come back with proof of it. And this is our 3rd day
with the Creme of Nature Pure Honey,
and I just squirted it with the water. And the twisting cream.
That's how you did yours. Again, I just sprayed mine with a little bit of this. This is actually in our Amazon store. I've seen a lot of people buying it from our Amazon store. They do also sell it in Walmart. It's so cheap. It's $3, and I just love this. For me, I don't like going in with water. I like going in with something that I feel is a little bit more moisturizing, even though people say what's more moisturizing than water, but something about a leave-in conditioner, me spraying a leave-in conditioner, I feel like this just... It's like product, more substance.
I thought about
prefer that
after I did the water, and I started seeing the slight frizz a little bit. I'm like, I wonder if I would have done my Carol's daughter almond.
Yeah, spray. I don't know. Just there's something about using a leave-in conditioner for me that I feel like does better than just going straight in with water. Even though people say water reactivates the product and all of that, but this is just what I use. No matter what the wash and go is, it just happens to be this is Creme of Nature, and this is a Creme of Nature product, but it could be any wash and go, and I always refresh with this Creme of Nature product. That's all I do. Yeah.
All right.
I'm trying to think of any other questions that might be asked. How we refresh, how we preserve, what the product is. I don't know. I don't think anything else.
Just again, the standout product in this line is the mask. Love this mask.
Oh yeah, the mask is
Yeah.
amazing. Really good, really good, really good. You guys have been coming for us saying, "Oh, you should have got the shampoo," even though we said we weren't going to be picking up the shampoo. No, but if we ever find the shampoo now because you guys raved about it,
I know.
we will pick it up. If
So
we
that was
find
the
it.
standout product in the mask, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And apparently it's found in Walmart too, people were saying. So we haven't seen it in Walmart. I haven't seen it in Sally's stores or in Walmart stores. We haven't seen it in stores. We ordered these offline. But
Yep,
that's new developments, new information.
Just wanted to show you.
All right. Quick little short video. We're getting ready to go product shopping. What we do best.
Yes.
All right. So we will see you in our next video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.